SC6090D Flatbed Cutter. Versatile precision cutting for every material. Simple and efficient. Insert USB, and the job is recognized automatically, starting the cut immediately. CCD camera. With intelligent CCD camera detection, registration marks are recognized instantly for flawless positioning. Different cutting force. Handle multiple layers with customized cutting forces for each layer according to your requirements. High precision. Small text strings cut accurately. Scraps easy to remove. High-speed production. 2 cutting heads work together for fast, precise cutting at up to 600 mm/s, perfect for large orders. Advanced algorithm. Obvious elimination of distorted, rounded, or lifted corners, even on thin TPU films. Clean and smooth cutting edges. Perfect cutting force management provides clean, smooth, and debris-free edges. Multifunctional applicability. From PET, TPU, vinyl, to special shape labels, one machine for all. Straight lines, curves, or complex contours handled effortlessly. SC6090 Flatbed Cutter. High precision and intelligent performance.